Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Rider Rob. We got two fog lamps for CBR and Duke. Let me unbox this. As this we open, we have you get a thermocone, and then we have a couple of fasteners. It also has an Allen key, and we have the fog lamp itself. We get two numbers in the box. Let me keep it safe. Let me confirm with the seller and I'll give you the right details. And then we have these mounting clamps. We have two numbers as well. That's it in the box. This is where we are going to fix the fog lamps. All the tools ready. And you need to buy this additional mounting clamps for fixing the fog lamp. This is from HJG. This is how it will be. This will go here. So let's get started. This is fixed now, and now we need to fix this clamp. For that, we'll get this bolt along with the fog lamp itself. This is how we need to fix it. It's very simple. And we'll get a nut as well. So this is fixed now, and you can take the fog lamp. You can position it. Later you can do the adjustment. Again, we'll get the bolts along with the fog lamp with the washer. Now what you need to do is, now you can fix this bolt here. Actually get 4 points for mounting this fog lamp, but you can just mount it like this. For me this should be okay. Same way you can do it on the other side also. Now the fog lamp is fixed. Later you can route the wire. The same way we'll fix it on the other side also. Actually, I was making a video how to install the fog lamp. That day it became dark and there was power cut also. Couldn't record further. Today I've installed everything. I'll show you how I've done the wire routing. First we need to open the rear seat. Remove both the seat. I've routed the wire like this, as you can see it here. So you can route the wire like this, and you can mount one here, the other one here, and as you can see, I've used a couple of cable ties, and same we have routed the wire here. As you can see, I've taken the wire between this frame and the air filter box. Don't worry, I'll give the wiring diagram at the end of the video, so you will know how I've done the wire connections. The connections are very simple. You can do it as well. And this wire comes from this switch. Actually, I have two switches for the fog lamps. We'll see this later. There are two wires in this. One is for the yellow light and one is for the white light. The negative, I've made a joint here. I've taken a single wire and I've directly connected to the battery. This wire travels like this, and I don't know whether you'll be able to see here. I've taken it with wiring harness, and the wire comes here. Then to this switch. Now I'll tell you why there are two switches. This one right here is the main switch, and this is a selector switch. You can select between the yellow and white light, because I did not want to have a single switch. This is how the bike is looking right now. Let me turn on the light for you guys. This switch will be always on. Now I have selected the white light, and let us turn it on. This is how it is. Very bright. This is on the left side. Both together. This is from the Hyper Rider. This is from HJG. This is very steady and it's very strong, so you don't need to worry about it. And there's one connected here. It has a rubber O-ring and it is protected from the water, as well as the lamp is protected with the O-ring in the front. If you want to purchase this lamp, I'll give a link in the description. You can contact them and you can get the light. A lot of modification videos coming up. So guys, thank you for watching. Ride safe. Take care. Bye bye.